Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. Long time no see. As you guys saw in the title of the video, I've been contemplating. I've been thinking. Thinking about staying on YouTube or not. Y'all come back to me. Let's figure this out. You know what I need to figure out? Is YouTube a priority in my life? I've always got things to do. Be it filling these little green tanks up, or maybe it's turning a wrench, working on a car. Is that the priority? You know, it could be simple as filling up water jugs. I guess what I'm trying to get at is I always have something to do to keep me busy during the day. And is priority water, gas, working on the truck, working on solar? Is it a priority? Or is my YouTube channel a priority? That's the question I've been asking myself. When I come back, y'all will have my answer. Well, folks, as you can see from some of my previous pictures and videos, I stay busy all day long, usually from sun up to sundown. If I'm not taking Acer for a walk, I've got all kinds of chores I'm doing. Now, like I said in there, is YouTube going to be a priority for me? Can I do that? Do I want to do that? Being a YouTube creator, it's hard work. Contrary to some belief, not only do you have to find content every day or every other day to shoot, you got to edit it, you got to put it out, you got to appeal to your audience, and you got to work hard to get, grow your audience base. And can I do that? Am I willing to do that? That's the question. I love YouTube. It was a dream of mine, and I fulfilled that dream. I made that dream happen. But then things happened. Along with being on YouTube, you're going to get your idiot comments, your trolls, if you will, your not so nice people. But you get constructive criticism too, and I was for that. The other day, I actually ran into one of my trolls, and I stood there and let him berate me. He swore at me left and right. But all I could do was walk away. I listened to his foul mouth for a little bit, and I realized at that point in time that I wasn't put on this earth for lack of better terms, to whoop him. I'm too old for that. Granted, You know, like I say, love one another if you can. If you can't, walk away. Well, I couldn't. And I can't, and I won't. But I can walk away. And that's what I did. But it got me thinking. Do I really want to put myself through this? I've talked to a lot of friends about my dilemma. I've talked to a few subscribers. And I've come to the conclusion that Randy the Mobile Traveler is going to continue on YouTube. I'm not quitting. Because I'm not a quitter. And I will give it my best, my all, to make this channel grow. I'm going to get back to basics. I'm going to get back to why I started my channel. I started my channel to help people, to show some of the country, but to also show people that you can live out here in America, in your camper, your van, your motorhome, easier. I want to make people's life easier. That's why I started this channel. Guess what? We're going to get back to it. That's what I want. Not what anybody else wants. Me. So, thank you guys for sticking around with me through this journey. Hang on. It's going to be one hell of a ride from here on in. Alright. Well, it's the Mobile Traveler. Y'all be good. You drive safe and travel on. Maybe I'll see you out here one day. Goodbye.